Maharashtra Health Minister on Monday called the deteriorating COVID-19 situation in the state alarming, even as he mentioned that the state may be looking at a partial lockdown if things get worse. According to NDTV, State Health Minister Rajesh Tope said that lockdown will be imposed in some districts if required. People need to adhere to rules. We can increase the penalty for non-adherence, Tope told NDTV. Asaduddin Owaisi-led AIMIM has sealed an alliance with Sasikala's nephew TTV Dinakaran's AMMK for the upcoming Tamil Nadu elections. As per the deal, AIMIM will contest in 3 assembly constituencies which include Vaniyambadi, Krishnagiri and Sankarapuram. Meanwhile, TMC MLA Sonali Guha, Dipendu Biswas, Rabindranath Bhattacharya, Jatu Lahiri and TMC candidate from Habibpur, Sarla Murmu have joined the BJP in the presence of West Bengal Party President Dilip Ghosh, BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari and Mukul Roy on Monday. The Congress on Monday staged a walkout in the Karnataka Assembly during the tabling of the budget for 2021-2022 by Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, prompting a strong reaction from the Chief Minister, who claimed the country never had a history of opposition boycotting the budget. The Congress members had walked out of the House, claiming that the government in the state had no moral right to continue in power. Recently, the Yediyurappa government in Karnataka had come under fire after the sex CD scandal of Minister Ramesh Jarkiholi, who resigned from the post. Clearing the air about oral observations made during the bail hearing in a rape case in the court last week, Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde on Monday said that his statement was completely misreported. This court has always given largest respect to women. Even in that hearing, we never gave a suggestion that you should marry. We had just asked, "Are you going to marry?" the CJI said about last week's proceedings, where he had asked a 23-year-old rape accused if he would marry the victim. The remarks were made when a bench led by CJI S.A. Bobde was hearing the bail plea of technician with Maharashtra State Electric Production Company Mohit Chavan, who has been accused of raping a minor under POCSO Act. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will pay a visit to Bangladesh on March 26 to participate in the 50th anniversary celebration of the liberation of Bangladesh in 1971. The visit will be his first foreign visit in 15 months amid the coronavirus pandemic. According to officials familiar with the visit, Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina are likely to flag off a direct passenger train between Dhaka and New Jalpaiguri in West Bengal. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar had visited Dhaka last week to prepare the ground for PM Modi's upcoming visit and held talks with his counterpart on the progress of bilateral ties.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free.
First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs.
So, hope to see you soon with our badges.